Greetings everyone, welcome back. We are in the last strategy of phonics strategy number 2. So just what is that strategy? Well, if you have 2 or more consonants surrounded by 2 vowels, 2 things happen. One is that first vowel, it's going to be short. It's going to have a short vowel sound. And the other thing is you're going to divide the word after that first consonant. And why does that matter? Why is that important? Well, when you get to longer words that you don't know, the only way you're going to be able to know what those words are is to divide them into syllables and read the word one syllable at a time. So that's what we are getting you ready for. So here's what we think to use the strategy. So you look at the word that you maybe don't know, and then you have to think, what? Yeah, where are the vowels? What order are they in compared to the consonants? And so where is the first vowel? Because the letters that are before the vowel you don't care about. It has nothing to do with these strategies. So the first vowel, you got it. It's a U. And so we're going to say, yep, that's a vowel. Now these steps that we're doing right now, that's what you're going to do in your head. But we're doing it on paper now just to get really good at it. And then what's next? M. What's that? Oh, it's consonant. M, another consonant. And O is a vowel. So here we've got that beautiful pattern, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. What does that pattern tell you? Yeah, it tells us that first vowel, it's going to be short no matter what. And what else does that pattern tell us? Yes, we're going to divide the word where? Yeah, after the first consonant. And so what that helps us do is long words, we start looking at just one syllable at a time, which makes you're going to be able to sound out any word, to know what any word is. And so we know what sound short U is because we know that vowel is going to be short because of those 2 consonants. It's a. So here we put these letters in order, flum, and then we do the last syllable, flumox, flumox. Cool. So then we look at the next word. So what are we going to look at? Yep, we're going to look at where are the vowels. Uh-oh, here it is. It's an E. So the E is a vowel. What's the P? It's a consonant. What's the S? Another consonant. And of course, I is a vowel. So guess what? There's that pattern again. This is such a common pattern. And so when you learn how to use this pattern, by gosh, you can read anything. And so what do we know about vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel? Yep, we know the E is going to be short. We know we're going to divide it where? After that first consonant. So there it is. It sounds short E. Yeah. So here we go. Hep, sin. And then we look at the last word here. Let's see. Boy, there's a lot of letters. We look to where the vowels are. The first vowel isn't till here. And so we're going to say, yep, there's the first vowel, and then what's the F? It's a consonant, and the T a consonant, and the Y at the end of a word is a vowel. So we have that pattern again. What do we know about the I? Absolutely, it's going to be short. Divide it after first consonant, that's the F. First syllable has a lot of letters, THRs, thrift, and Y at the end can be E or I. So thrifty. Thrifty, and that's how this pattern works. The next step is just to go to Google Form, which this video is attached to, and explain your thinking on the words that are there. What strategy do you see? What is the strategy? What does it mean to you? How are you going to use it? And so take a minute just to go to Google Form and do that. This is a chance for you to show what you know. Or a chance to put everything into practice. Once again, the vowel rules are up here. One vowel in the word is short, and 2 or more consonants in between 2 vowels makes the first vowel short, and you divide it after the first consonant. And then, as I've said many, many times, the short vowel sounds are there. But the real work in this chapter on all the sheets that are within it is to practice reading them. And these words just progressively get harder, which means you might not know some of these words, which means you have to use the strategy. And that's the whole purpose of this. So we're in the last row here, and we divide it after the first consonant. We know the A is going to be short, so you just say them one syllable at a time. Shambles, sickle, mattock, plasma, atlas, paddock, luster, swindle. And so, of course, you really want to go fast. Shambles, sickle, mattock, plasma, atlas, paddock. You want to be able to do that. So you're going to practice these for at least 10 minutes. Now, there's a lot of pages in this chapter too, so it may take you 2, 3, 4 days to get really good at knowing this strategy. And so when you're really good at it, have someone at home listen to you read, have them time you for 15 seconds, and then when you know you're ready to test out of this lesson and be done with strategy number 2, then of course read the words to your teacher to show that you understand this strategy. So not only will you read the words to your teacher, but just like on Google Form, you're going to explain what the strategy is and how you can use it and how you know it. And so that's kind of the core of this, so that when you get to those longer words, you are ready to use this strategy. So we're going to let you go ahead and get to work on these, and good luck. We'll see you soon.